Hey, what's going on, guys? How you doing? This is Matt Beasley from Crypto News. So we're gonna go ahead and give a prediction right now. We got Bitcoin being at $5,000 by the new year. Now this is just purely my prediction. It's based on a couple things that I see in the charts. It's also based on the average trend that we've seen since between March and April. Thank you to that person that just subscribed, by the way. Let me go ahead and draw this average trend line I have right here. So what we've seen is, since right here at about 3/4 the way through March, we've had a pretty good uptrend going. We're just going to draw this line through the previous low of the past week. Let's see right there. We can get it right about there. Now, while this isn't really indicative of anything in the near future as far as possible volatility or whatnot, we have seen a lot of the certainty return to the market after August 1st. It seems as if Bitcoin is starting to break out. We broke through the resistance at $3,000 all the way up past $3,200. We are currently in a slight pullback for this evening. The price is currently $32.14. However, we think that's a normal pullback just for the amount of activity we've had over the last couple days. What we're hoping to see here in the future is continued increase in the price, and as the confidence returns back to Bitcoin's market, we think that we will continue upwards. If we go ahead and scale out real quick, I'm going to scale out the chart real quick. We can see that as we move farther into the year towards 2018 over here, let's go ahead and extend this line out. If we continue on the same trajectory at this point, Bitcoin will come up to right around $4,600. If it continues at a little bit higher trajectory, we're looking at around $4,700 by the new year. Now, there's not a lot of things on the horizon, I think, that could really knock Bitcoin off this path. I think there have been a lot of investors looking for Bitcoin to come out of this volatile period here. And now I think we're past August 1st date, and everything looks like is returning back to normal. Will probably increase, investments will increase pretty rapidly here at this point. I also think with the opening of like institutionalized investing starting to open up a lot towards the end of the year, we'll start to see even more capital come in, which could cause this trajectory to literally, the degree at which it's actually going at this point, to increase to the point where we could see 6,500, 7,500 by March if big institutionalized investors start to come into the market at this point. Now, that's not saying that we can't have an issue here between the end of the year if anything unforeseen were to happen. However, I do think at this point, with uncertainty starting to subside, Bitcoin will start to produce increased returns for the next couple of months, and then hopefully by the new year we should be teetering right around the $5,000 mark. So that's just my little opinion right now. I hope to see that continue. I know a lot of you guys are long Bitcoin at this point, and I think the future is bright for Bitcoin from here on out. So once again, my name is Matt Beasley, Crypto News, Wyckoff SMI. I'm going to go ahead and sign out, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm out. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you love the videos that we post, if you appreciate the updates, if you're making money, do us a favor. Go ahead up here to the top of the YouTube page. Go ahead and subscribe to the Crypto News channel, or just click right here to subscribe. Either way, it's easy. Go ahead and do it. Definitely helps us keep things running. So definitely appreciate it if you take a second to do that. I'll holler at you guys later. We out.